Yeah, I know it's been quite a long time that we have recorded. To be honest, we are pretty much out of YouTube, and I'm just recording just to give an update of what all happened in the recent past. So I met with a small accident here. The bumper broke. This thing came out. This clip came out, and this is a small accident which happened. दुखी हूँ यार. It was my fault itself. The guy was coming in the wrong way, but I didn't see him. I was looking in the opposite direction. I was getting onto the highway, but yeah, to be honest, my fault. But this car has covered, as you can see, 39,776. We got this car a year ago, probably August 20, post August 15th. So this is September 15th. So 1 year, 1 month, give or take. And I've covered almost 40,000 kilometers. So the car is in excellent condition. The servicing is quite cheap. Cheap, I think so. If I use the word cheap is wrong nowadays. So the servicing is quite affordable, and the car is in excellent condition. Yes, 40,000 kilometers, which means that the fourth service is due. So I'm going to send the car for servicing in the coming few days. And also, if I just open this door, you can see the Panigale, the R18, the Thruxton. Multi and the Africa Twin are gone. We have sold both the bikes. The reason why we are not touring much, the last tour which we did was in December 2023. That is when we went to IBW 2023, and after that almost 2 years we did not go on any long rides. Breakwise rides which we do regularly on probably almost every weekend, but no long rides. I'm just enjoying my breakfast rides, not recording, not doing as a work such. I'm just enjoying myself in those rides. Feels sad that I am not able to go on big rides, because the project which I have started, it is flourishing. We started sales and all. It's going good. We need to improve more, but yeah, it will come eventually. It will come to a stage where it will be self-sustained. The factory will be self-sustained. Till then, I need to work my ass off. And there's another update. As you can see, this is our 6-year-old Suzuki Bergman. It is broken, thrashed, not in great condition. The suspension is gone, the clutch plates are gone, and yeah, the condition of the scooter is not great. But exactly a month ago, Rohit ko chul lagi. బేసిక్గా మస్తు ఫ్రస్ట్రేషన్ వచ్చింది, ఎందుకంటే ఈ డజంట్ హ్యావ్ అ వెహికల్. ద ఎక్స్యూవీ, ద వైట్ ఎక్స్యూవీ మై డాడ్ టేక్స్, Shraddha takes I-20, I take the Mahindra electric, and my wife takes the Tata electric. So he doesn't have a vehicle, so he got really frustrated and went ahead and purchased this a month ago. This is the Yamaha Aerox 155. It's a good scooter. It's a really good scooter. A review of the scooter, once we get time, I will definitely make one. It's powerful. It is giving around 38 kilometers per liter mileage, and the suspension is quite firm. The basic review, and it definitely misses out on not having TFT screen, so we put a phone mount, but we get this. You don't need to insert your key, and you can just twist the knob, but the key should be in your pocket. To be honest, not really fan of that feature, but all in all, this is an amazing scooter to drive. Our family's complaint is that there is absolutely no storage here to put any bags, so you have to rely only in the underseat storage. Let me get the keys. These are the keys for the Yamaha. It has this button, and by pressing this, the scooter beeps. It is not central locking, it's just a viewfinder or scooter finder. And with the key being near the scooter, I just need to press this in, turn it, and press the seat button to open the rear seat. And that's a big enough space for a scooter. It really misses out on the practicality of loading it in the front with all the Activas, Jupiters, Axis we get in the market. This definitely misses out on that. And if I just turn this, the scooter is awake, and yes, as you can see, the scooter covered around 631 kilometers. It's fairly new. It's fairly sporty. It has the R15 engine in it, quite decent enough for a scooter, probably in Indian conditions. It has auto stop, it has the hazard lights. Lights are decent, and you get the VVA, variable valve technology. So depending upon your throttle, the valves open and try to give you a bit more power a bit early. And yeah, we can do easily 100 kilometers per hour or a little more than that on the scooter, but I'll not recommend doing that. I know a lot of people will do comment saying that the new Hero Zoom 160 has come, the TVS Ntorq 150 has also been launched. And why did we get this? When we purchased this, it was the need of the hour, and those scooters were not confirmed back then by the manufacturers. But this scooter was in the market from quite a long time ago, and with that we get a ton and ton and ton and lot of accessories. So because of that, anything we need we can change. If you want, you can change the front suspension, the rear suspension, the rear disc you can change. You can put up a tail box, the top box. You can increase the fuel tank capacity. I've seen a lot of videos online that you can modify the aerox to the teeth. So yeah, all in all, the scooter is good. Definitely not practical, but for power scootering in the city, it is a very, very good scooter. Practicality wise, I still believe the Bergman is a better choice, but I don't think so. This will run anymore. We need to retire the scooter at the earliest. I went to the market. I asked him how much I'm going to get the scooter if I sell it for, and he's saying somewhere around 10 to 12,000 rupees, not more than that. That's because the engine is seized. The steering is teda, it's cross. And क्या करें? This covered around 20-30,000 kilometers, and because it has been driven in the factory premises, it is basically dead. Yeah, like I said, in the coming few videos, I'm going to say what are the goods, what are the bads, and day-to-day living with an Aerox 155 is like. I really hope that we get our mojo back and start recording really soon. See, train is here, which means that we are logging. बहुत दिनों के बाद. So yeah, all in all, I do like the scooter for the power and for the brakes it offers, but it's fairly new. We want to get it modified slightly, get it to make our own custom tweaks probably in the future. But as of now, this is a wonderful piece of machine, good power, and mileage is also decent, what I say. And all in all, yeah, that's a small sweet update for this vlog, and I will see you in the next coming vlogs. Rohit is not here. He is in Bangalore. He is under training. Probably from past month or so, he's in Bangalore. Before that, he was in Baku for almost 2.5 months. So yeah, once both of us are here, we going to at least try to eke a little bit time off from our busy lives and start making videos for you guys. It's not going to be regular as such, but yeah, something is better than nothing, right? So see you in the next one. Bye bye.